Okay, they're gonna blow a watermelon up. We'll see.
YouTube, here I come.
Neighbors come home soon.
Two rednecks and a watermelon.
Yes.
YouTube, here I come.
Anybody want fresh watermelon?
Here we go.
Cut for you.
Everybody hold your mouths open.
It's like a Jolly Rancher.
Maybe, if they can get it lit.
You should zoom it up more.
I did.
That's as far as it can go.
Here we go.
Here we go. Oh, gosh.
And poor Heather.
Oh, no.